Good morning. OPEX. What time is OPEX? Let's go look. I don't have any news today. Do we have news today? Oh, not OPEC. OPEX. Ouch. Let's see what we see. See what we see. Okay, so we took it wick for wick, I believe. We look at the 1 hour. I've already recovered this green vector on the way up. Okay, fine, we are above Asia, so there's the top of Asia. And here is the bottom of Asia. So we have Asia high, Asia low. Got those two marked off. We didn't quite take back this 5 minute. Okay, so now that we've got the hour, right? So I'll lock this in. I'll lock this one in so that way. Wait. What in the world? This is Asia low. Ah, ridiculous. I was like, something doesn't look right. Having a brain fart moment. So we've done nothing but go straight up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours now. I wonder if we're gonna sell off like they've been doing previously. Or will we just go back to yesterday's high? We sold off in Asia, reversed in London. London's done nothing but go up. I would think New York is going to continue the trend. I'm going to drop it to the 5. So the midpoint between these two is just about daily open. Actually upside. It's right about where the London VWAP is. $79 to 95. Let me find a calculator. Okay, so the midpoint is 745, so 750, so 24,750 is what we might be looking at. Let me find 24. Okay, I did that math wrong. Well, this isn't good. My brain's not working on simple math. I did some math wrong here. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. 24, 695 minus 24, 749. Okay, so 54. Oh, let's do that's why divided by 2, 27. Okay, so 27 plus 24, 695, 722. Okay, that sounds much better. 722. There's the open. No, that's not the open. That is a massive 1 minute candle. Massive. So I don't have any imbalances upside. Everything's below. They're going to come back down for this. These are definitely getting taken. 1,000. Maybe they'll just come. Actually, so we'll be looking for buys possibly at Asia high. So I want to mark this area off. Like that could be a bounce point. Otherwise, yeah, it's already. Oh man, I really want to sell. I really want to sell right here. I really don't feel like blowing any Apex accounts evals today. Oh yeah, definitely not going short. Okay, so on the 15-second, we do have imbalances upside. We are so close. So we do have these. Oh, we're getting busy 2 minutes prior. Really busy. I think I'm going to sit this one out. I think we're going to punch straight to yesterday's high. I just feel like they're going to take profit on a Friday. Now we're gapping up too. Just it feels like they're really pushing this upside narrative. Tell you what. Hey Victoria. You selling today? I feel like we're selling today. I can't take any of these trades though. I cannot short this uptrend. It's absolutely madness. Well, here goes. Let the bloodbath begin. I'm not blowing any accounts right now. We're stuck in a range right between two sets of imbalances. So we could spike the high and then drop if they're going to come down today. What are we doing? What are we doing? I don't think NASDAQ even knows what it's doing. Oh, we failed to take those top. And now we sell off. Or not. Yeah, this is why I'm gonna sit this one out. Such an indecisive market. Okay, so we came back and we wicked Asia high. Took back this green vector on the 1, and now we're thinking about flipping? Let me give it a try. Just kind of see if more downwards. I probably should have been more careful in these wicks. Yeah. Wait and see if it'll pull up a little bit. Where else would we go? London VWAP is right here. Oh, look, it lines up with a vector. Yeah, I think it's just gonna... I don't know. As soon as I think it's not gonna hold Asia high, it's kind of just bouncing around. Kind of just watching this to see. I'm watching on the 15-second. So we rejected. It kind of looks like we're just walking our way down. I don't have any vectors on the 15-second down here. Five-minute is not looking fantastic. Well, that might be our micro W. No vectors. But we do have wicks downside. A slight gap up. I don't like this gap right at Asia high. Well, they still didn't fill that gap yet. They came close. Oh, was that enough to fill it? That might have been. No. They're trying to fill it. Right there? Now they filled it. Okay. It's so funny because if you find these gaps like this, I've had a pretty, like, I've been watching them for a while. On the 15-second, it seems like if you were to like put an entry there, you can get really good entries long. I mean, now it might sell off, but they always seem like they bounce. Okay, so we are going to come down here and attack this. Oh, and then the 50 EMA is also right here. You know, not always the brightest crown in the box. Not feeling very bright today. And then 734 is also the daily VWAP. Yep, it falls in. So that means my stop needs to be like 730. Watching the 735, 200 on the one, printed, wicked. We're now 2 red vectors on the 5. Not ideal. Go back to the 15-minute. 15-minute, we've been shark finning to the upside. Red on the 15. The thing is, this just tells me that they probably are building position still to go higher. Even though I'm sitting $2,400 in drawdown. It's only $500 in account. We're okay. We're okay. What a shitty entry on my part, though. Like, this is where I should be adding to my position, but I don't want to add on these accounts. I have a limited drawdown available on these Apex accounts, so I don't really want to be too aggressive when it's this volatile. Okay, let's see if we can push over the 50 on the 15-second. And they did. Let's see if they can get through the VWAP. Yes, they can. So was that our low? So actually I should be targeting yesterday's high, which is 815. 81. I think we'll actually see new highs today. This is looking like they just spent all this building and now they let it fly. Could be wrong though. We have wicks to the downside on all of them. Once it starts moving in my favor, I am going to start trailing. And actually I am going to trail from here just because we're getting close. Okay, so it did take me out. I'm going to look for another entry higher. Oh, but now we have imbalances. So I'm looking for maybe retest Asia high again. 752. We'll see. The risk to reward on that trade was not great. What it was like, what, $600 a drawdown to get 80 bucks. That's okay. Actually, I'm gonna get right back in again. Might be too tight, maybe. Moving it to the bottom of that wick as a stop, just so that way I don't hold it for too long. I really do think we're gonna start re-breaking the highs though. This is taking too long. Taking way too long. Come on, push. Nah, okay, well, it took me out instead. Okay, we're gonna wait a second because it's gotta find its feet. We could get it to pick up again here, like a micro W to shift out. I don't know if I like this trade very much. I'm going to keep an eye on it. I don't like this long wick down here. Yep. Okay. I'm going to wait and see. I'm going to actually try a short here, because this looks like it wants to possibly roll over. $54 seconds. We'll see if it fails to get back over the 50 on the 15 second. If it can't get over the VWAP, then what is it going to do? This was not a vector on the 15 second, so they don't, oh, there's a gap here. And I just got taken out by the gap. Yeah, I'm running my stops too tight. I don't want to get chopped out of all this. This does look like... What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? So 5 minute, so 52. Okay, so right there, if it can't pick itself back up, that's where my stop goes. That's where I should have bought at. That's okay. What time is it? 46. So this was the first 1 minute mark of a 15-minute candle. I don't like how it just kind of rejected a standard deviation band. This is actually tighter on my other screen. Oh, we do have a gap. Damn it. Still a gap on the 15 second. Come on, NASDAQ. You can do it. I really want to see this go up and break the highs right now. So I don't like my stop there right now. Come on, break it. Break it. There we go. That was a nice one. See, they would have came down and basically tapped me out just to go back up again. Okay, I want nothing to do with this if it can't bust out of here. Oh shit, close, close, close. It was too fast. Too fast. Don't know what just happened, but I'm out of all that. And I'm at my max trailing, which is good. I don't know what the heck that was. It probably could continue going to yesterday's high from here. But I think I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna give this a little bit more time. Now I just want to see what it does with yesterday's high, because I do think that we're going there. I can't get on a trade here. Sweet upside action, that's what that was. Okay, so we took yesterday's high. It looks like we're actually rejecting really hard off of it. We'll see. Maybe not. We're awfully far from the VWAP upside. You know what? I'm gonna try the shorts. That move was just so fast upside. So fast upside. I don't want this to come back on me. I want it to, like, let's go retest the 50 at least. See what they do with 8-4. If they can flush through 8-4. Oh, don't stop me. Ah, you brat. Okay, well, we'll retest it. Okay, so we had violets going down on the 15. We're now blue on the 5, so 2 blue vectors in a row. This could be another rollover point. Let's see, is there anything upside? New 5-minute candle. I guess on the 15. Oh, wow. Well, orb strategy would say that we're going up. Because we are way above 783. I want to see if they retest yesterday's high again. Trying another short here just because we didn't, but it could easily flip up and go for it. I'm at break even. Like extreme break even. Super tight. Okay, we're kind of coming back. I want to see if they're going to fail the 50. I really think they are. I really think they are on the 15-second. I'm at break even. Oh, they stopped me out immediately. They were like, nah, just kidding. See if they come back up and test it. Okay, that's interesting. Feels a little risky on this trade. I don't know if I like it. Running like super tight stops. I'll probably get stopped out, but I just want to see. I want to see. I want to test my hypothesis. Jerking all over the place. Come on, NASDAQ. What are you gonna do? Flip up, fail the 50. Okay, I'm short again. And that's rude. That's real rude. Come on. Flush it. Flush it! Don't come back for me. Don't come back for me. Just let it go. Like on Frozen. And we're out. Jerks. Blah. Okay. Okay, so I've scalped like 1,500. I think I need 9,000 to pass. So these accounts are now sitting at 4,000. Just another 5,000 to go. It's okay. This is coming down real slow. I think we're actually are gonna... Well, we might actually try to go long again. Yeah, I like this. Stop in place at the bottom of these wicks in case it doesn't want to play with us today. Really? Okay. Okay. So maybe we do want this green vector on the 15-second right here. What are you going to do with this, NASDAQ? Rude. So rude. Come on, keep going. Laviosa. Actually, I don't remember how that works, but keep going. Let's see how much of a... Oh. That was weird. Why did they not like that spot? Okay. Okay. I'm okay with that. It's only 190 bucks in that trade. That kind of sucks. Oh, and we have green vet. Okay, they are going to come down. Yep. They want these green vectors. I think we might get that flush to actually come all the way down. Come on, keep going. Push, push, push. See if they can push into this. Damn it. Rude. Just rude. Okay. Really? Oh my goodness. This thing is just... Maybe I'm too zoomed in. Let me just zoom out a bit here. I still like the shorts. Okay, I'm gonna wait. Okay. We're gonna try this one more time. And try a short. If I'm wrong, then I need to change my direction, my narrative. But NASDAQ, if you want to bleed right now, that'd be great. Like, just bleed. And don't come up and take me out. We're looking for it to come back to this 67 region. Come on, 67. Nah, don't do it. Don't do it. Rude. That's okay. I've had too much coffee this morning. Can anybody tell? I'm really curious about longs here. Well, that was kind of a bad fill. Push. Come on. You've been breaking the highs. Go continue breaking the highs. We like it when you break the highs, NASDAQ. You make everybody feel nice and warm and fuzzy. Give everybody that FOMO. FOMO for sure. Push. Push. Keep going. You're above the wicks. Come on. You almost tapped me out. Thought it was funny, huh? Keep going. Thought it was funny. Keep going. Push. There you go. No! That's not what you're supposed to do. Okay, I took the short based off of all we did was stop punt just above this range right here with a green vector. I would anticipate them now to roll over. Like 774. 7 or not. You just be rude. 781. We're 774. 776. Come on. Which one are you gonna hit first? My stop? Yeah, my stop. Okay, I'm gonna give it one more shot. We are going to break even. Don't do that. What the heck are you doing, NASDAQ? Oh, it was a red vector. There you go. Fail the 50. Nope. I said fail the 50. Fail it. Fail it! So close. Why you gotta come back? Rude. Oh, it even gapped up too. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Okay, I'm missing something. I'm gonna close this out. Okay. Oh, this thing just keeps baiting me to go short. Oh, I hate it. don't have my take profit set. What is this? What is this? Do we have anything here? Are we actually gonna do it? I don't want to put a break-even stop in. Seems foolish. We still have this 773. Thing is, I think if we take 773, we're actually going to flush. Okay, so there's the bottom. I don't know if I want to. It's gotta lose this spot. And it looks like it's trying to pull back up. Red vector it. Yeah. Kind of watching it. It looks like it wants to go down. What is it doing here? It's like fighting the 15-second. Come on, you can go. Come on, pull back down. Nope, I don't want this to flip back up again. Don't flip back up. Don't do it, NASDAQ. Just push. Yes, keep pushing. That's the 200. And we're almost back to the VWAP. No, don't do it yet. Come on. Don't do it yet. Now you can go. We're going to trail this because this might be stupid. I don't want to leave too much on. Yep. Made back my little bit of losses, plus some. That was a nice move. Or just back at the 50. Oh, man. It'd almost be like if there was a... if we got a vector on the 1 at the 50, that might have been a long entry. That just doesn't look very clean to me. I'm actually waiting to see if we reject... Nope. Okay, maybe now we go and test yesterday's high again. It's too fast for me to get in it. My eyes already feel like they're burning out of their sockets. Okay, so we need to be creative with if I go short again. Because that might have been the only retrace back to the VWAP. Need to be very careful with shorts. Okay, are we failing the 50 on the 15-second? Oh, that was weird. I kind of had some internet lag there for a second. Luckily, it just stopped me out. That's fine. I'm not seeing anything upside for them to go attack. Except for yesterday's high, but they basically already did that. Yeah, I'm just going to leave this here until it actually shows me that it might do something. We have these 1 minute imbalances that it's cleaning up right now. I want to see if they can actually break the 50 this time on the 1 minute and flush down below the VWAP. So that's what I'm watching for right now. And it just seems too tight. I don't know if I'll be able to keep a hold of this trade or not. I'm moving stop to break even just so that way I'm not caught with a like massive green candle or something. Actually, no, okay, now I'm safe to move it back to my stop. We're definitely working a range up here. But the longer that we take to break this range... Okay. Okay, okay. Don't come back up yet. Don't you do it. Okay, that was it. No mas. No mas. You got more to go down there and get. They might make it look like it's going to hold the VWAP here if there's a bunch of people buying. I don't think that'll be the case. I am going to trail this. We're tapping the VWAP again. Come on, break lower. Break lower. You can do it. Do it! Ugh. Okay. I mean, personally, I think this looks pretty good. We're ranging at the highs. We'll probably go higher. Like, I'm really tempted to buy here. Oh, I thought I did click buy. Okay, well, it was a good thing that I didn't. I clicked the button, but nothing happened. Okay, we just took back a green vector imbalance. And they're coming back for another one. There's a little bit more left there. And that's blue on the 5. We should continue dumping a bit. The daily VWAP sits at 755 area. 753. We did just take that green vector on the 1. And these candles. Ow! Ooh, that hurt. If it's not done, I'll take the loss, but this looks very pumpy. Pumpy price action. Just on the 15-second. And we're just talking about, you know, how the candles are moving. Which hopefully has nothing to do with my internet. Yeah, it might take me out. Okay, well, I'm at break even, so at least that way, if I'm wrong, it won't. Yeah, there it goes. Being kind of funky here. I might be back in buys if it pushes. No. I don't like that. Okay, I'm gonna wait. Okay, this is kind of an interesting spot. Oh, we dropped again. Okay. A lot of this, I think, is going to be waiting. We actually have... Oh, there's that imbalance. It's at 754. Not an imbalance. We have this open... a gap on the 15-second. See how far they went away from it, though? They were on a mission. Okay, and then these are taken back, so I'm not worried about those anymore. Kind of tapping the 200. Did we fill the gap? 5-4. 5-4. We're awfully close. That was a pretty good buy up real quick. Interesting. Okay, we took back like 50%. That was a really nice... Okay, so violet vector. I like that too. Okay. Super pumpy. I don't want to get... I don't really feel like getting, like, messed up here. So... Just looking for them to retake 777. Let's see if they can flip up and test 777 real quick. I don't like how this is stalling. It needs to hurry up. Hurry up. You. Go test it. Okay, so there was 777. Are we going to push through? That is looking like a possible no. So that's the 50 EMA on the 15-second. I want to see if we can actually hammer through this or not. We're not a vector or anything, but we're awfully close. Okay. All right, that was a little gappy. Probably come right back down again. Yep, tagged me out. It's getting busy. Getting busy. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Kind of looks like it wants to roll over, but I don't know if we're actually going to roll over or not. I ain't going short, I'll tell you that. Not here, not where it's at. Knew that M on gold was going to be spat on. Oh my gosh. Right? I feel like any time that they look too perfect, it's like, yeah, what's the matter with you? Yeah, I like the M's that turn into W's or the W's that turn into M's. It's like double bottom what? Oh, triple top. Just kidding. Damn. Yeah, I find gold's just really hard. Gold used to be easy for me, but it was like there's only one like signature move on gold that have like 100% win rate with, and so I can't use it every day. So then I switched to Nasdaq because I'm like, well, this I can read a little bit better. I can at least scalp it. Oh, 11. Okay. So 1130 New York Fund has a sell program. Market maker starts his hedge stair step up. Okay, so yeah, opposite of yesterday. Yeah, that's interesting. I don't know anything about that, Victoria. Yeah, Michael, the entries for the longs are tough. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to be patient and wait for my entry on here. I was definitely thinking short. They're stuck at a standard deviation band. That wick just goes right through it and comes back down on the 15-second, but I don't know. I'm not really ready to short this yet. Not after the reaction we got at the lows here. Nice little fallback though. Hmm. That's funny. I was like, oh yeah, we should take entries off of Asia High. We had 2 opportunities. 15-second. I just got trigger happy too soon. We still have imbalances lower below Asia. I think if they break Asia High, we'd be in for it. But how far are we from? Oh, never mind. They don't show up on here. Damn it. Darn it. Where's our psychological ranges at? Oh my goodness, there's no way. Could you imagine this bleeding all the way to 160? No way. That seems crazy. They did that already. I think they retested it for FOMC. It's an interesting sweep down. I missed the entry on that because I was too busy gabbing, flapping my jaw to a friend. Well, texting her. I'm gonna try along here. This is a little funky pattern-wise, but almost like we're failing the 50 again. Hmm. I think we're gonna chop here for a second. It seems like we're working on like an inverted head and shoulders here on the 15-second. I don't like this gap that they just left. I might just take my $200 and run. Well, now it's $7. 700. We'll see. Let's see if they can actually shift out. It just looks fishy. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? And I forget how much scalping like this really gets to my brain. Okay. Okay, so we're kind of like losing VWAP here. I don't really like this trade. I probably will get stopped out. Just looks kind of eh. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Coming back to 757. Yeah, I'm looking for buys. Not sure this is where I want to buy it. Really thought we'd get one more push down. Come back and pick up my buys, darn it. Oh, that's kind of nice. Okay, so I already have this set up. Trying to decide if I actually want to buy here. Oh, we're now violet. Want finished red. On the 15-second. Do I really want this trade? Do I really want it? Do I really want it? Do I really want it? Ugh. Well, I think we're in now. Okay, now I need a reaction. Need a push to the upside. We're already at break even. I need to see this shift out though. Don't be so mean, NASDAQ. Okay, so we're going to continue down. Okay. That's okay. I was fine with that. I probably should have taken profit, but, you know. Okay, actually, I'm going to try this one more time. Because this is the daily VWAP area. We should get a good lift off of here. If this is going to hold, there should be a good lift. I'm going straight to break even just because I don't fully trust it. Like it could just flip and come right back down again, but we've been reacting pretty good off the 800. Oh, okay, they tagged me out. Okay, so now let's go see what they do with Asia's high. That's two trades in the same spot, and they both got stopped out. I'm not really feeling this area anymore. I'm gonna try it again. Try buys one more time, because it really does seem like it's holding this. But we've been here for almost like 5 minutes, I swear. Damn it. Okay. Where are you going, NASDAQ? Asia's high? I don't know. This one's tough. I feel like if they do roll over, we'll go to Asia's high and retest Asia's high. They might just stop me out for like negative 200 across all accounts. Yep, there goes the stop. Which I'm kind of feeling cheated, not gonna lie. No. Go down. Just go down and make me feel better about where my stop is. Okay, we have a red vector on the 15-second. It's already been eaten. This previous range. Okay, so there's Asia high. Okay. Let's see what they do here. Another red vector. Oh, that looks like they're gonna flip off of Asia's high. Okay, I'm taking a stab at this long again. The math just adds up for me. Green, blue, 15-second. What's it like on... Okay, so green vector on the 1. We had volume come in. That's always good. Oh, I'm right at the 50 too. This is basically the bottom of New York. We might just continue down now that I'm looking at this. Yeah. Okay. Not an ideal entry for a short. Oh, it turned 1 minute. Oh, shit. Okay, if you're not going to fail here, then we're going to have issues. I mean, it really... Come on, NASDAQ. Just keep selling off. There you go, and leave me out of it. Leave me alone. Let me have this. Don't just take me right back out again. Really? Keep going. Okay, so 735. That's what we're watching for. Again. Okay, we just tested 734. And flipping? Really? Maybe I should just take my profit here. Yeah. $740. We came right back and took back this imbalance. Now I want to see if they can actually break above Asia high again. Can they actually do it? That's the question. Range weekly high, Asia high. We did have vectors pushing down. I'd like to see them get back above here. I gotta be careful because TDI is still saying that this could go further down, so I think this might have just been like a bounce. Yeah, I'm kind of thinking the same thing, Michael. I mean, I don't know. 5 minute, we're basically a volume stopping candle on the 50 EMA. That looks pretty good to me. We just got to hold Asia's high, and I'm happy. I'll probably actually add to this, but I'm not going to hold this forever. I got to remember I can't do that on these accounts. Can always find another entry. I want to see this close. Okay, we closed into the 50. I want to see them drive. What time is it? 50. New 5 minute candle. No, you don't have to come down that far. It's okay. Gross. Rude. We were the flap. Get out. No. You know what? I'm adding to it. I'm now 16 contracts and we're absolutely doing break even. This either needs to go or not go. So that's all I have to say to this right now. We are in the go or not go region of life. So just go, NASDAQ. Just go. It's okay. We'll forgive you. I'll forgive you. Personally. I will thank you. Okay, bottom of that wick. That's where it's going. You come back down again, shame on me. I'll just get right back in. Oh, come on. There you go. Oh, we are locking that in. Keep going. We're going to trail this. Ooh, 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 is that a rejection? Is that too big for my account? Are you too big for my account? That's what I want to know. Okay. Come on, baby. No, don't come down. Don't do it, NASDAQ. Don't you do it. Just keep on going. Oh, so brutal. Okay, who tweeted? That's okay. Okay, dropping my size back down. That was nice. I picked up, you know, 8, 19, 11, 1200. Wait, that said 1200. I didn't really get that much out of them, did I? I don't know. Kind of weird. It still looks good on the 5. I'm too chicken shit to take a trade right now. Can I do? You know, if I sit here long enough today, I might actually be able to pass these accounts. Oh, that'd be so awesome to start Monday with 4 fresh passed Apex accounts. Ha! That would be wonderful. Go ahead.
Special delivery just for you.
I don't remember ordering anything. Okay.
Right, are these jeans okay to wear? I'm changing shirts. Are these jeans okay? No.
As long as you wear a baggy shirt. Unless you want your muffin top to be seen. Sorry. That was fun. My kid came in, I thought I muted my mic. Nope. I'm actually looking at taking another long here. If we get a bounce. Yep. Okay. They could be tricking us, but... Ew. Yeah, like that. Just flip and go green. Go, go. Go. Thank you. Now, see, NASDAQ, how hard was that? Like, seriously. And it took me out. Whatever. I think I'm starting to get trading fatigue. What am I out on these accounts? 3,600, 6,300, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mean, I could probably... Oh, that's just rude. We did sweep the previous low. This one right here. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to trade like this on my live Apex accounts. So what I'm going to tell them is I do rise, retrace, continuation, and they can infer that however they want. Or I'll just be like, well, I trade double bottoms and double tops. Simple as that. M's and W's. Using momentum. Right? I mean, that sounds pretty good. Yeah, this is looking dumpy. Dumpy and maybe a little wicky. I think it's trying to decide which way it wants to go. Oh, cool. My new card got here. And it's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. Forgot that it was coming today. I love Robinhood. Does anybody use Robinhood? I think I should get affiliated with Robinhood. Do they have an affiliate link? Okay. Yeah, I like longs here. Of course, it would give me a blue vector like that. I don't remember marking off anything lower. Here on the 5. I really didn't think they were going to sell off this hard either. It seriously just stopped me out and then flipped right back up again. Oh, me and NASDAQ, we going about to have to fight. Okay, 200 at EMA. Whoa, I just typed in 100. Oh, we said daily open, didn't we? This follows that box theory, though, where if you draw a box in a tight consolidation, it'll usually break. You know, we're going like this, trying to pick a decision. It'll either go above the box and reject and come, you know, break down like this, or it can come above the box, come back to the box, and then retrace up, or it can do this where you consolidate, break down, right? You can, and then you usually get some kind of like a retest right here. So you come up even like halfway. So we're waiting for them to retest this 50, but a lot of times you can get this kind of action as long as you have vectors, which it's being temperamental. But that's what I'm waiting for. We have this red vector hanging out at the VWAP. And what if it's a quote inside day? Doesn't that mean that inside trader they would be keeping, like, we should be going back to the VWAP basically? Right now we're below both VWAPs. We just gapped down at my entry. So now it's just, is this one the retest or is this just to come back and take this? Nobody knows. This feels pretty like I can put my break even stop. Well, I think I was too slow for my break even stop. Now I'm debating. I can get out basically at break even right now. Come on, NASDAQ. $10.19, new 5-minute candle coming into play. Ugh. Okay, we still have 40 seconds. Come on. Push up over the 50. Green vector, does that mean that we're coming down as soon as the next 5-minute candle comes in? Give me a push back to Asia high. Come on, let's go. Let's go. We got too much trailing on this right now. Oh yeah, and we are following this. That way I'm not giving back a whole bunch here. Ugh. All that did was give me back. I'm actually having some issues on Tradeovate. It's really laggy right now, and that's what I mainly use for trailing all my stops. I don't know if I agree with trading right now. I think I'm gonna have to wait. Here, just for shits and giggles. That's right, I said it. Shits and giggles. What is this showing? Yeah, you can see all my account info, I don't care. This is... Oh, this is what I was, reports. Go. Okay. Gross loss breakdown. That's interesting. I think that's always red for me. P&L history. Yeah, $500 loss, $850. Yeah, okay. So 76% win rate, but nothing great. I would say I've been cutting my losers, but I had this one $500 one earlier. Boy, and it came right back down again. Okay, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm not gonna trade anymore. I've got enough time invested in the markets today. This looks heavy. We might get it like a 2 o'clock pump, maybe, you know, something power hour. That's what I'm leaning towards. But I am gonna hop off here. I gotta get up, get my blood moving before I start giving back all my profits. So we're up 3,700 across these Apex accounts. Probably finish passing them on Monday. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, I want to go long right now. I'm not going long. Nope. Not gonna do it. I'm feeling too daring. So, alrighty, y'all. Have a wonderful one.